Okay, the 9000 as a system is designed to work on a privatized network, meaning that the box itself connects to a common router that then connects to the PC. That router distributes information between the PC and the scanner. One of the neat features of the new StrainSmart that will operate this 9000 is that it has the ability to pass this information, meaning the data that is being collected from the scanner to the PC, and allow that information to be passed on to other PCs that are also part of the same network. And that may be advantageous if you have a boss in another room, maybe a manager or supervisor, who doesn't want to be in the lab at the same time that the test is being conducted, but he wants to be fully aware of what the data looks like in case something goes awry and he wants to call quits on a particular test.